friends and family. Our first card is that we're going to meet people that could be important in our lives. It's going to take away the anxiety and stress that we have. We've let go of a whole lot of things, but Spirit says we're still holding on to something that's got to do with guilt. We've got to let it go. There's money coming our way and it's fated to us. We must be open to infinite possibilities. The world is our oyster. There's happiness and well being coming our way. Celebrate yourself already. You've been so long in the cold. There's honor and respect coming your way. So stay focused on your own path and lay solid foundations as you go along. Things are coming to you fast. Protection from a powerful friend. You're going to get justice in this area. Focus on the year and now. Happiness is coming your way. May month is relevant to some people, and there is a protected, you are being protected from forces beyond your control. You're in an abundant state now, and you turning knowledge into wisdom. You actually have the upper hand of your life. And Spirit says there are still enemies working against you, but they're helping you and protecting you. They want you to put the sun, the fun, the happiness back into your life. There is a path with money that is waiting for you to find it. It's going to open doors for you. And Spirit wants you to start already acting as if this has already happened for you. Claim your independence where there was misunderstandings and arguments. Now is your lucky time, and the magic is within you. The universe wants to bring the magic into your life. And the unicorn spirit says that pets are very important to us at this time. You love and understand your animals. And they say a sacred symbol will bring you protection and guidance. And your loved ones say trust. You can trust the people around you. Thank you all for listening. I love you all so, so much.